So let's start. So hi students, already we have discussed with you regarding the JEE warm-up series and apart from that NEET series also. So what we are going to do every day, we will take 10 problems as I assigned you, that questions you have to do. After completing the questions, you just have our time. Yeah, if you feel that questions I'm not able to do, for your recapitulation, I'm uploading this video. So just go through it whenever you are free and try to complete the task. Because JEE and NEET, this is not a one-day course. It's required the continuous process. So I'm here for you to help you out. So if you have any doubts in that, you can reach out to me in a school time and we will help you to further work on it. Okay. So let's start the session. So let's welcome you all in the session. The first questions that we are going to see today class, that particles start from a rest at a point. It means basically they have given the coordinates to you. So when they have given the coordinates to you, what is that? 1 comma 2 comma minus 3 and b 3 comma 4 comma 5. It means basically when they have a given coordinates, we also known as displacement is basically the position vector. मतलब del r change in position vector. So what is position vector? Rf minus Ri, final position vector minus initial position vector. So what is this final Rb? If I find the position vector del r, so what will become it is? It is Rb minus Ra. So how we will write this value, sir? In a vector form, the 3i cap plus 4j cap and plus 5k cap. It is your Rb vector and Ra is what? I cap plus 2j cap minus 3k cap. So now subtract this value. The what you will subtract, you will get 3i cap minus I cap. How much will come? 2i cap. From here, how much it will come? Tell me. 4 minus 2, 2j cap. Means plus 2j cap, and here minus is that basically it will become plus only like this. You can take it like this, so it will become plus 8k cap. This is your del r. Now their magnitude, if you find, because they're talking about the magnitude, to find the magnitude of this one, how to find the magnitude vector? Root under 2 square plus 2 square plus 8 square, how much will come? The root under 4 plus 4 plus 8 square, how much is there? 64. Means how much you got? Root 72. And what is the value of root 72? Tell me the answer, anyone. The root 72 is nearby what? 8 plus. The 8 plus means what? This is your answer, nearby 8.5. Yeah, you can just find out this value. Okay. So this is the first question, how to do. I hope you got it. Now coming to the second question. Basically, what second question talks to us? Tell me anything. Right? Means what basically the second question talks to us. The how second question we are basically doing. So see here, a displacement x of a particle moving in one dimension under the action of a constant force related to time t. Okay. So they have given this one, t is equal to root under x plus 3. Okay, where x is a meter. To find, convert in a displacement form in x function. The x function, when you will convert, how you will write? T is equal to root x plus 3. In a x function, how I will write? The root x is equal to t minus 3. Squaring on both sides, what you will get? So when you square on both sides, what you will get? You will get at what? Root x square, how much? X, and t minus 3 square. The root x square, I hope you will get x, and this is what? T squared, and a minus b whole square, what? 3 squared, 9 minus 2ab, matlab 3 2 ja 6, 60. This is the function. Now when velocity is 0, matlab basically we know that velocity is what? Differentiation of displacement, dx by dt. So when dx by dt, it is equal to 0. So now see here, the dx by dt means what you will get here? T squared minus 9, sorry, plus 9 minus 60 by dt, it is equal to 0. Matlab this differentiation you have to do. So when you differentiate, what you will get the value from here? You will get 2t. This constant differentiation is 0. Minus 6 is equal to 0. Then from here, t how much came? So 6 by 2, which is equal to 3. The time you got 3. Now I want displacement at the velocity 0. We got that time, how much is there? 3. Matlab at 3 seconds, velocity is 0. It means now put this value here. If you put this value here, what you will get? You will get here basically what? T 3 minus 3, how much? 0. So it means displacement is how much to you at that point? It is 0 is the answer. Got it? Now see the next question. I hope this is a very interesting question and I hope you will able to do. Take a pause and try to do. Meanwhile, we will see here. A cyclist starts from a center O. Okay, very good. Center O with this point of a circular park of radius 1 kilometer. Okay, very nice. But this OP is 1 kilometer and OQ is 1 kilometer. It is clear to all. OP is equal to OQ. That is equal to 1 kilometer. Very nice. And along the path, I have the circumference and return to the center. Okay, okay, okay. Means what they are saying, it's moved from O to P, P to Q, and Q to O. This is the path they follow. So question is what? Find the net displacement and average speed. So yeah, net displacement is 0 na. So from here, this option is wrong. This option is wrong. So what left to us? This 2 left. Let's see. Displacement 0. Why? Because initial and final point is same. So how to find average speed? So we know V average how to find. It is equal to total distance by total time. Remember this. Total distance by total time. So we have to find distance. So how distance will come total distance? Tell me. What is the approach to find total distance? Maximum students, what they will do mistake here? Na? They will take here directly the value root under 2r. That is wrong. We cannot take like this because it's a distance. So we have to find the distance. Distance means total path travel. It means what is that? OP plus arc. What is the arc? PQ plus OQ. Correct? Yes, sir. The OP is how much? 1. OQ is how much? 1. So 1 plus 1. Now we have to find R. We know that theta is equal to L by R in your first chapter. That where L is what? Arc. It will go this side. So what will come? L is equal to theta into R. And we know that theta is what basically? Theta is the radian. We have to take the angle in a radian form. So when we take angle in a radian form, so basically what will come from here? 90 degree. So pi by 2 into 1. It means pi by 2. It is clear to what? Means plus pi by 2. So this is your total distance. What you got distance? 2 plus pi by 2. It means what you got from here? 4 plus pi by 2. This is your total distance you travel. Now question came time. So let's see about time. How much time you taken? 10 minutes. So here 10 minutes means how much? In hour, if we talk about 10 minutes means T is equal to 10 by 60. It means that is equal to 1 by 6 hour. Now find the what? What you have to find basically? Average speed. To find average speed, how you will find? V average. How much distance it came? 4 plus pi by 2 by 1 by 6. It is clear to all. Now put the value and get the answer. 4 plus 3.14 by 2. It will go up into 6. It is clear to all. I hope it is clear to all. Yes, sir. Now this one cancel. It is 3. So how much will come? 7.14 into 3. So how much you will get? You will get 21 point something. You will get the see 21 point something. Where is that? This is the answer. I hope it is clear to you all this question. So please take a pause and understand what basically the question is saying. The question is saying a cyclist is there. This is the center. It is moving like this. So when it is moving like this, what they are saying? From one point O, it came to P, P to Q, and Q to O. Again, it came to center. The how much displacement is there in this path? The displacement is 0, but distance how much is there? Total path. Matlab radius plus R that we have done here. Okay. I hope it is clear to you all. Clear? So please see the next question. I know this question basically it is from the grade 9 only if you observe the question. So let's see how to find out this question. One route of a circular track of radius R is 40 seconds. So how much displacement will there in a 2 minute 20 second? Okay. 2 minute 20. If I do this question with unitary method, any problem? No, sir. Please see what to do. 2 minutes 20 second means what? 2 into 60 plus 20 means 140 second. How what, sir? How you did? So yeah. 1 minute is equal to how many seconds? The 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. The same thing I have done here also. So now, what is important thing to know? One revolution in 40 seconds. So in 140 second, how much it will take? In one revolution, he is taking in 40 seconds. It means 140 second, how many revolutions? So see, divide it by 40. So what you will get here? So 4 3 ja 12. Matlab 3 complete revolution. And how much will be left? 20 seconds. Matlab half revolution. Matlab 3.5 revolution. It is clear to all? See now. 40 second one revolution. The second revolution again. How much? 80 seconds. Third revolution. It again 40. 120 seconds. So how much left? 20. It means from here If this is point A, from it will where it will come next 20 seconds. It will come here. So what is this displacement, Amma? That this is R, this is R. The total displacement is how much? 2R. It is clear to all because this three case initial and final point is same. The displacement is 0. So what left? 0.5. Matlab half revolution we have to find. So that is the half revolution answer. Clear? Oh. By seeing like this question only we will get heart attack. Sir, what is this? What we have to do in this question? So let's see in a simple language. If a particles n travels an equal distance, matlab some particles are there, it travels an equal distance. So let equal distance is d. So let equal distance take in a simple language. Let equal distance, how much you will take? D. So how much it travel? An equal distance. Total distance, how much came? So from here, total distance and d. Why? Matlab each distance is d. The total distance and he travel. Anti distance he travel. Now average speed we have to find. So what is the concept of average speed? Tell me anyone. So V average is equal to what? Total distance by total time. Yes, sir. Very nice. Total distance by total time. So now, according to the question, if total distance by total time is there, the concept. So for time, we have to find the for T1, how much will come? D by V1. Matlab with the speed of V1, V2 is there, na? V1. For T2, how much will come? D by V2. For T3, how much will come? D by V3. And for T4, how much will come? Sir, T4 again, same thing will come D by V4. Got it? So like this, like this, like this, how much you travel? And distance you travel. So when you travel and distance, so suppose Tn, if I find how much will come? So d by Vn. Got it? Yes, sir. So now total time, how much will be there? Tell me first. Total time. Total time is what? T1 plus T2 plus T3 dot 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 dot. It means basically I am saying to you d by V1 plus d by V2 plus d by V3 like this dot 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 dot. Clear? Yes. So if you take d common from here, so what will come here in front of us? D common, then we left with 1 by V1 plus 1 by V2 plus 1 by V3 like this dot 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 n times. Okay, so this is what? This is our total time. This is our total time. Now average speed we have to find. To find average speed, V average. You know, V average we can also represent like this. The ND by total distance ND by D into 1 by V plus 1 by V2 dot 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 like this. So DD cancel. So when DD cancel, the what left with us? V average n by 1 by V1 plus 1 by V2 dot 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 like this it is left. Now see the option, which option is representing this one? So option is different. We got something different. No, 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 no. If you observe the option number C, reciprocal, just reverse this. If you reverse, what will come? 1 by VA average. So when 1 by V average, it will come down. The 1 by N it will become. It will go up. It will be remain same only, na? The 1 by V1 plus 1 by V2 dot dot dot. So what is the answer? This is the answer for you. I hope it is clear to you. The option C is the correct answer. Clear? Please take a pause and try to do the again. Means what? There is a particles is traveling an equal distance with some velocity v1, v2, v3 like these cases are there. So what is the average speed for the particles? So when we have to find the average speed for the particles, so let's total distance is traveling, each distance is d. So total distance nd. We have to find time. The first part d by v1, second part d by v2, third part d by v3. So like this n time. The total time is what? D by v1 plus d by v2 plus d by v3 dot dot dot. If I take d common, the 1 by v1 plus 1 by v2 plus 1 by v3 dot dot like this become. Got it? So now we just put in the formula of average speed. What is the total distance by total time? Clear? No. Okay. You know, we have taken this question so long back. Let's see how to do the question. A blind person walk 10 steps in one direction, each of length 80 centimeter. Okay. Matlab he is walking 10 steps in each direction. Of length, how much? 80 centimeter. The total, how much is that we have to see? But the total step we have taken 40 steps. So it means in 10 steps he travel how much distance? Tell me. In 10 steps, how much distance he travel? So 10 into 80 centimeter. The 80 centimeter in a meter, how much will come? 0.8 meter. Correct? It will become how much? 8 meter. It means in 10 steps he is traveling 8 meter. So how much step he has to travel? 40 steps. Matlab 8, 8, 8. Matlab if we talk total distance, how much? Distance if they ask, 32. But question is what? Displacement. How is traveling left or right? It means suppose first step he travel like this 8 meter. Then again he travel like this 8 meter. Then again left, right like this. Again he travel 8 meter. Okay, I will make it proper. Wait. So suppose you travel first 8 meter like this. Okay. Then again you travel like this 8 meter again like this. Matlab, it means what? 10 step this one. Again this is 10 step. Again he travel 10 step like this and again he travel 10 step like this. This is also 8 and this is also 8. So now what is the displacement? This is the question. Initial point is this one, yeah, final point is this one. That is the displacement. So when this is a displacement, are you seeing this Pythagoras theorem here? Yes, we are saying this Pythagoras theorem. So this is also 8. So how much will become this part? 16. This part also how much will become 16. So Pythagoras theorem what? Root under p square plus b square. Matlab root under how much? 16 square plus 16 square. So if you see here 16 square plus 16 square, so what will come here? Basically the 16 is a common 1 plus 1. So can I say here what? 1 plus 1 and here what will come? 16 outside. So basically it is what? 16 root 2. You can solve it. You will get the answer same thing what I have done here. It is clear to all? I hope you got it what I want to say. Okay. So now talk about the next thing. What is the next thing that is also important to know? This is the question and I hope you will understand this question and you will try to give me the answer. Meanwhile, I will also discuss with you what is the correct answer. Select the incorrect statement of the following. The average velocity, the path length by the time travel. Incorrect, they are saying. Incorrect, we have to take out. Okay. To average speed, we know that, and average velocity, we know that. What is average velocity? Total displacement by time. It is not total distance by time. Path means what? Distance. The first option is wrong. It means it is incorrect. In general, speed is greater than the magnitude velocity. Yes, it is true. In general, only in a straight line, if they're going in the same direction, then only it is equal. No? A particles moving in a given direction with a non-zero velocity can have zero speed. How zero speed will be there? Got it now? It is wrong. Magnitude of average velocity is the average speed. No. It is a special case when it is in a straight line, same direction. That is also wrong. The incorrect is which one? S1, S3, and S4. Option D is correct. Clear? Sorry, option C is correct. Now next question. A position x of a particle vary with time. Okay. Matlab x is equal to, they have given to you, at squared minus btq. Okay, got it? Acceleration at time. Okay, at t is equal to what? Matlab acceleration is 0. Then what time is there? When acceleration will be 0? This is the question. Okay, where t time and v velocity. When acceleration will be 0, what is the time at that time? They're asking the question. So we know that velocity is a what? Differentiation of displacement. And we also know that acceleration is what? Differentiation of velocity. So can I say basically, sorry, dv by dt, acceleration is a double differentiation of displacement, d2 square by dt square. Clear to all? It means if I differentiate this term 2 times, we'll get the answer. So differentiate it. So if you differentiate first time, what you will get? dv by dx. dv by dt means what? Sorry, what I am doing, bro? dv is equal to dx by dt. Okay, so differentiate it. What you will get? It will come here 280. It will come here minus 3bt square. Now again differentiate to get a, the dv by dt. Now if you differentiate this term, what you will get? 2a. It will come from the minus 6bt. That is equal to 0. So if this is equal to 0, then what will become here? It will go this side. Then 2a is equal to 6bt. So from here, what you got? You got t is equal to 6b by 2a. So here, this one cancel. What happened to me, bro? 2a by 6b. This one if you cancel, what you will get? 2 here 3. So you will get a by 3b is your answer. Check which is the correct answer. This is the correct answer. Got it? The position of displacement particles is given. They are asking acceleration, where t represent time and v velocity. When acceleration is 0, what is the time? The double differentiation of displacement will give acceleration. Acceleration how will get? dv by dt. And how get v? dx by dt. It is clear. The same thing I have done. I have done the double differentiation. Clear? And then I make it equal with 0. In a journey along a highway, a car cruises at 30 meters per second for 1 hour. Okay. Then take 30 minutes to travel 12 kilometers per hour. Okay. Option also given in kilometer per hour. Convert this in a kilometer per hour. So you know that key basic thing. To convert meter per second to kilometer per hour, what we have to do? We have to multiply with what? 18 by 5. And to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second, we have to multiply with 5 by 18. So same thing. First, we convert this value. So how much will come? Here 30 is there. So this one cancels 6. The 18 6 ja 108 kilometer per hour. So if I find distance d1, how much will come? The speed into time t1. So how much will come? A speed, how much is there? 108. Time, how much he has taken? 1 hour. So how much distance it travel? 108 kilometer. Now, if I talk about d2, so how to find d2? Same thing, speed into time. A v into t, whatever you say, you can say t2 with the speed 2. How much is that? 12. Time, how much? 30 minutes. So 30 minutes means what? 30 by 60 to convert into hour. If you cancel this 3 by 2, 1 by 2, and this one cancels 6. So what you got? You got 6 kilometer he traveled. So total distance, how much? Total d, how much? d1 plus d2. That is equal to how much? Tell me now. 108 plus 6. Total, how much will come? 140. Okay. Now question came, sir, what is the average speed? Total distance. Total distance, how much? 114. 114 by total time, how much? 1 plus 0.5. 1 plus 0.5 means what? 1.5. It means 114 by 1.5. If you remove point, it will go 10 up. Clear? Now cancel it. How much will cancel? 3 and here 2. Because see, 5 3 is 5 2 is clear. Now just this one you divide it. How much will come? 228 by 3. Just solve this value and try to get the answer. 8 to 10, 10 to 12. You will get in some equal value. 7, 3 7 here. 3 7 is 21 and 6. Here 76 will come. What is the answer? 76 kilometer per hour. Clear to all? I hope this statement you got it. Any doubts? Clear how to approach this question? Okay. Now this is the last question. A car moves along a straight line whose equation of motion is given by s is equal to 12t plus 3t square minus 2tq. Okay. But displacement equation given, they are asking velocity of the car at start. To find v is equal to dx by dt. So what will come here? 12t plus 3t square minus 2t cube. If I have to differentiate this value with respect to dt, what will come? 12 plus 60 minus 60 square. Clear? Yes, sir. But what the same velocity of the car at a start? So at the time of a start, we will take initial velocity, matlab time, start time. Time is equal to 0. Reference we are taking. What is the reference we are taking? Matlab suppose something we are starting at that case, what will happen? Time is interval, time period is what? 0. So now put the value here. What? 0. If you put 12 plus 6 into 0 minus 6 into 0, so what you got? This one part cancel. So what you left? You left with 12. So what is the answer? 12 meter per second. So what is the answer? Answer C. So see, in today's session, we have done with the 10 questions. Next day again, we will do the 10 questions. So please go through it, solve the question. If you have doubts, go through with the videos. Okay. I hope it is clear to you all. Yeah. Thank you so much.